Hello, welcome to Brighter Beta, your intuitive and easy to launch, all-in-one mobile and cloud-based solution. Remotely manage your entire student life cycle, collaborate with students and parents and lead the way in online learning. Let me tell you that you have taken a right decision to get started with this awesome platform. As you move along, you will find many great features which will be extremely useful in bringing along the paradigm shift in the day-to-day operations of your institution. Brighter will bring in an unmatched efficiency, precision and great amount of predictability, which will help you in taking informed decisions, achieve unimaginable savings on capex, and brighten your brand value to a great extent. Brighter is carefully crafted to provide eminent value to an organization of any size and type. Efficiently manage your online admissions. Maintain institutional size and expand admission capabilities with customizable workflows for best possible efficiency. Collect fees digitally. Create a steady flow of revenue generation from current and future students and plug all financial gaps in real time. Remotely deliver curriculum. Go online in seconds and ensure better engagement with a completely secure live teaching experience with video conferencing capabilities. Efficiently manage staff. Focus on productivity in a study from home environment and establish complete transparency with your teachers and professors. Your students will stay updated and connected at all times. Your students can manage their studies and time like a pro with assignment, exam and general class updates at the tap of a button. They will be constantly connected with teachers. Brighter will be making it quick for students to study and revise for exams with instant doubt clearing tools. Your students will be able to provide real-time constructive feedback. This will empower your students with inputs from your teachers and peers on assignments, homework and collaborate on exam discussions. Live video lectures. Take the next step towards immersive digital learning with live video conferencing capabilities for students. Tap a larger network of students from across the nation. For your teacher wanting the best. Academic calendar management. Maintain a steady flow of classes and exams with quick swapping of resources to cover for absenteeism, apply and approve staff leaves and more. Lesson planning. Equip your teaching staff with tools to help plan each class in greater detail and create class highlights for summarizing long sessions into bite-sized information. Online exams. Evaluate, grade and report exam results with a flexible online assessment tool that offers detailed support fit for all boards of education. And of course there is a deeply integrated online teaching platform which will enable them to teach in a completely online and also in a hybrid that is online and offline mode. Getting started with Brighter is super easy. And most importantly, the basic version, which includes an online learning platform and essentials modules of education management system, are totally free. Let's begin with selecting the right organization structure for your organization. There are 3 options available for you to select. Option number 1. Apex Body or University Campuses Institute. Select this option if your organization is an university or has an apex governing body, society on the top. Centrally managing multiple campuses at various locations. And under each campus there are multiple institutes. Essentially this structure enables the consolidated reporting and various other functions for logical admin users like chairman, trustee, campus directors and principals of institutes. So select this structure even if you want to launch a single institute which is the part of your entire organization. Okay, let me make it even easier for you. Answer these questions. Do we have following dignitaries in an organization? Chairman, campus director and principal? If answer is yes, then please select this structure. Please note that the term university does not mean the affiliated university, which has its own software system in a place. As you can see, there will not be an admin user at university level using Brighter. Now, second option is Apex Body or University Institute. Select this option if your organization does not have multiple campuses. That means the data consolidation is required only at an apex level and there are no admin users like campus directors etc. in your organization. You may select this option even if you have single institute which is managed directly under the society or an university. In this structure there will only be 2 admin users like chairman or trustee and principal. Third option is individual tutor or single institute. Select this option if you are an individual tutor conducting the training programs, example hobby classes, coaching classes, health and wellness programs, vocational training programs, etc. or you operate a single mainstream institute like a school or a college, etc.